During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers normally are conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is the threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed to the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated only for warnings and selected watches affecting the South Florida counties. In addition to the regular alarm tone, the NOAA weather radio system is equipped with an additional warning service called SAME that is short for Specific Area Message Encoder. Unlike the normal tone of 1050 Hz, which activates all alarmable NWR radios monitoring the station, SAME allows people with a special receiver to be notified of watches and for warnings affecting only the county desired. SAME radios are especially useful for schools, hospitals, businesses, government agencies, and commercial radio and television. For more information regarding the SAME program, contact your local National Weather Service office.
No, rating on TBW. Some of them are still on WXK83. I have 2 of them on WXK. I've set these two, my 120 and my 400, to WWG59. So hope I can get it for the first time on my 400 on WWG59. Of course, your typical TBW. They didn't test at all due to them issuing marine warnings this morning and due to thunderstorms impacting my area this afternoon. So, Miami did, however, do what they needed to do to address the situation like this one. So, yeah. Require weekly test. I mean, special marine warning. Wow, they tested outside. Yay! That was a call that a required weekly marine warning, Miami. But it's at 6 p.m. They haven't done the test yet because but thanks to Miami that did it.
Thunderstorms, mainly this evening. Lows in the upper 70s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour.
Okay, good.
50%.
Stayed on channel 4.
With scattered thunderstorms.
No way! I'm getting KHP 34. Yeah, thanks to Chopper, I got KHP 34 marine warning. No way! I was like, dude, that was lucky. That was lucky I just got KHP 34. No freaking way. That was lucky. That was so lucky. I could definitely slightly hear KHP 34. I was not expecting that.